Rational numbers, square roots. What is the square root of a number? The square root of a number is a value that, when multiplied by itself, gives the number. For example, if I take the square root of 9, I will say it is 3. This means that the square root of a number is a value that, when multiplied by itself, gives the number. Now, before going to the square root procedure, we will see what the square of the number is. If you multiply a number by itself, we get the square of a number. Now, if you observe some squares, 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equals to 16, 5 square equals to 25, 6 square equals to 36, 7 square equals to 49, 8 square equals to 64, 9 square equals to 81, 10 square equals to 100. Again, 11 square ends with 1. 12 square ends with 4. Like that, it will continue. If you observe the unit digit in the square 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Which numbers are missing here? 2, 3, 7, 8. By observing this, we could conclude that a square of a number cannot end with 2, 3, 7, 8. It doesn't mean that the number which ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 is a perfect square. What we are saying is, observe the point carefully. A square of a number does not end with 2, 3, 7, 8. Means, upon seeing the number immediately, I can say whether it is a perfect square or not. Suppose 112 is the number is ending with 2. 12, 32, 72, 172. If I list the numbers like this, if the last digit is either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, by seeing the number, we can decide it's not a perfect square. But it doesn't mean that the numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 are perfect squares, because 19 is not a perfect square. 10 is not a perfect square. 11 is not a perfect square. 24 is not a perfect square. 15 is not a perfect square. 26 is not a perfect square. This means that all the perfect squares end compulsorily with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. But all the numbers which end with these numbers may or may not be perfect squares. But compulsorily the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 are not perfect squares.